friends, Rotary in Mumbai, called as District 3141, is one of the premier Rotary districts in the world. And Rotary Year 2021 is a very special year for Rotary. This year is also called as the Visionary Year. In this year, we have started a novel concept called as BizBiz Talks, an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. And I, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon, that is a bariatric surgeon, and chief coordinator for the Rotary District 3141, would be your host for the day. Friends, BizBiz Talk is a hot from oven initiative, brainchild of District Governor-elect Sunil Mehra, to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians on a personal, Rotary and professional front. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more, to make a difference in the community. Friends, I have a very special guest today, a close friend, a Rotarian of past 20 years, Rotarian from one of the premier clubs of Rotary, that is Rotary Club of Devnar. Friends, he is none other than a very, very close friend, Rotarian Raghunath Rajan, whom we fondly call as Raghu. Friends, he is from the classification of manufacturing hydraulics and infrastructural projects. He's a first generation in business in hydraulics and infrastructure for the last 3 decades. His company has done World Bank irrigation and providing drinking water project in Central Africa. Rytec, his firm, has been invited as a specialist contracting firm by well-known companies in India and abroad. His friends and close associates call him trendsetter, and he always thinks out of the box. But friends, for me, Raghu is a man of commitment, man of ethics, and epitome of sincerity. Once a job has been given to him, be rest assured, it's done. With this small introduction, friends, I present before you a very close and dear friend of mine, Rotarian Raghunath Rajan.
Hello, good evening. Season's greetings from Rotary Club of Devnar.
So Raghu, we know a lot about you on Rotary front. We've been meeting you, we've been working with you, and I've known you as a lovely person, a great personality. But would like to know something about you in person regarding the type of person you are.
Now you know us we know each other for a very long time. I'm a commitment person. Once any task has been given to me, or I have to expect how people do it, then it has to be done.
Raghu, can I know something about your family?
Yeah. As for my family, my wife is a chartered accountant, and she is the chairperson of my company. She has been looking after our factory, 2 factories, while I am in the site. She is a committed, and over the last 3 decades, she is managing very well. And my daughter, she is also a civil engineer. She is a mechanical engineer, and she is based out in US. She is working in Intel for the last 4 years as a senior engineer.
Raghu, tell us something about your work. Let us know something about some major achievements of yours.
I have done 2 verticals. One is a hydraulic and another is infrastructure. Hydraulic, we do a lot of manufacturing hydraulic hose assemblies used for infrastructure. We have got 2 factories and we have got about 36 people working on that. It is managed by my wife. As well as I go every week and find out how it goes about it. As far as the infrastructure is concerned, we are doing geotechnical work. And geotechnical work, it has been done by overseas contractors. But for the last about 5 years, I do myself in various places. The milestones which we have done is Nuclear Power Corporation, Methi River widening and deepening, Bombay Metro, Bombay BPT, Koina, underground. These are all underground. In metro, we are doing underground drilling and blasting wherever the TPM doesn't go. They engage us for the all 27 stations, which is there right from Colaba to uh, Cuff Parade.
Fantastic. So,
And just one point that whatever we do work in the site, the hydraulic equipment is supported by my own company. So we got dual business we do in the infrastructure growth.
fantastic. I'm sure there are hundreds and hundreds and thousands of Rotarians and non-Rotarians who are listening to us right now. And I'm sure many would like to align with you, many would like to connect with you, even from business point of view. And we all know that you have been using your expertise in Rotary also over a long period of time. You have been a Yaro ka Yaar and you have been so committed always. But uh, every year comes and we have been given new assignments. And this year, Raghu, you have been given a very special assignment and you are the district project director for that particular assignment. I would like you to tell all of us about that assignment of yours and how do you plan to carry out the projects in the coming year?
Yes. For the last 2 years, I've been doing out SME conferences, but at the end of the day, it was only a curtain raiser. Code past COVID-19, now SME, the government as well as the banks have decided that we have to support the SME. And I have been talking to the minister for the last about 1 year, saying that there is no support from the bank. But now they have realized. As a result, now they have given 20% ad hoc limit, whatever existing they have got. If they do not have, then also give your projection, they will also give payment. At the end of the day, they will ensure that the commitment 45 days, the payments will be made to the SME accounts. And now, earlier, it used to be that the exporters, the large export houses, they used to take material from MSME, but they used to pay us delayed payments. But now it is not like that. After talking to ministry for the last about 6 months, now they have decided that SME with formalities will be minimized. As a result, they can also export directly and they will give expertise by the banks, by the import export agencies, then for formalities and documentation will be done by the government itself. As a result, to enforce that, because SME takes about 60 to 75% is the load of the engineering industries in India. But if we don't give support to them, then what will happen to others? So as a result, I'm very happy that whatever I've been talking for 6 months, now it has become a reality.
Excellent initiative, Raghu. And when you have been actually able to do this on the grassroots and at the groundwork where you brought about this change, I'm sure that you will be helping Rotary a lot, and through Rotary, you will be helping the SMEs a lot to ensure that they remain the backbone of the economy. Because whatever said and done, thousands and lakhs of people survive through the SMEs, and majority of the businesses are working are the SMEs. So great efforts, Raghu, and best of luck for your year to come, in which we are sure you will achieve much greater heights. And this time, this won't be just curtain raiser. This is going to be actual field work where you will ensure that hundreds and hundreds of people truly get benefit. It has
Sure.
it has been a pleasure to have you with us on this BizBiz Talk Show, Raghu. You have been an excellent speaker and you have been a motivator. I'm sure so many people who are listening to you today would like to align with you, either to take some opinions regarding SMEs or even from professional point of view, like to get associated with you, because anyone and everyone would like to get associated with a man of character, man of ethics, and a transparent person with so much of
Thank
commitment.
you.
Thank you so much, Raghu, for your presence on this talk show.
Thank you.
Hope to keep working with you ever in Rotary and have you as a friend always.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm privileged. Thank you.